this is Karen and welcome to Tried and Tested. In today's video, I'm going to take you through all the products that I received in this month's fab bag. If you want to know more, then please continue watching and do consider subscribing to my channel in case you find my content helpful. So let's begin. So as usual, I received 3 of their cards inside the bag. The first is the coupon code which I need to use if I plan to renew my subscription. The second is some contest which runs on their social media handles, and this is their product card which mentions all the products that I received. So this month they are celebrating their anniversary month and it's called the Ultimate September Fab Bag. If you've watched my previous fab bag videos and you know the drill, this isn't an unboxing video. Some of the products in here I've already used and I'm going to give you my take on most of the products that I've used in here. First things first, this is the bag that I received this month. So to be honest, I feel like I've received better bags in the past. I'm not crazy about this one. I don't really like the color and I don't think it's visible on camera, but there's like this slight dirt stains that are visible to me, so that's a concern there. So the first product that I received in here is this sheet mask from this brand called Palmer's, and this is priced at rupees 305. 305 seems quite a lot for a sheet mask, right? Anyway, I had received another product from this brand in my last month's fab bag. It was a sample size body lotion and I absolutely loved it. I may consider purchasing the full sized one. So I'm really excited to try this out, and this is the coconut water hydrating sheet mask for an instant boost in hydration and radiance. It has no parabens, no gluten, no mineral oil, no sulfate, and it also has hyaluronic acid and chamomile extract. So once this video gets done, I'm going to go try the sheet mask out and I will insert it in the next clip and I will let you know what my thoughts are on this mask. This is what my skin looks like after a couple of minutes. I had kept it on for 10 minutes and then I took it off. So my skin definitely feels hydrated. As a matter of fact, my face feels sticky. I have used better sheet masks in the past. Those masks left my skin feeling and looking a lot better than this one. This for sure doesn't justify the price. I'm happy that I received it in my bag, but I definitely would not go back to buying this separately. So the next product is a full-size product and it is this face wash from this brand called Global Beauty Secrets. It's called the Japanese Adzuki face wash. Adzuki. I think that's how it's pronounced. This is priced at rupees 450 and you get around 100 ml of the face wash. So I'm going to give it credit where it's due. What caught my attention was the packaging. I never heard of the brand before and I was happy that this came in a box. Now inside the box there's a small leaflet that talks a little more about the beauty secrets of Japan, and I find that quite interesting. Also, I like the packaging on the tube. This seems to be a pretty decent quality. I like this little artwork over here, but what matters the most is what's on the inside, right? So since this is the first time I came across this brand and I really was happy with the packaging, I was trying to check out other products from the brand on Nykaa and I came across a couple of them. But when I was checking out this particular face wash, I came across a lot of mixed reviews. Before I talk about the results and what I experienced, the face wash is a gel-based consistency. So they say that Adzuki beans are considered to be a regional beauty secret amongst Japanese women. And these beans are used as a skin exfoliator since ages and have become more popular in usage during the 18th century. These beans are very high in antioxidants and they contain like a naturally occurring foaming agent known as saponin that help to cleanse and tighten pores. So it's said to gently cleanse, remove dirt and dead skin, unclog pores and brighten your face by stimulating blood circulation without drying the skin. Okay, now I'm going to tell you 2 instances when I use this. The first one was when I used it in the morning. I just applied it on my skin and washed my face immediately and it was absolutely fine. I mean, it cleanses like a normal cleanser. There's nothing extraordinary about it. And then there was a second time when I had gone in for a bath. I had applied this on my skin and then I went on to clean like the rest of my body. So it took me a little more than a minute or less than a minute. I can't remember the exact time, but this area started to burn me and the burn started to like travel upwards and it got really scary. And then I remember reading the reviews and so many people had mentioned that they experienced this. Now when I washed it off at that particular time, I did not see any reaction on my skin. But during the course of the night, this portion had become slightly red and bumpy and that whole experience was so scary. It felt like I dunked my face in a bowl full of red hot chili. I mean, that's how bad the burn was. I don't know what is it that reacts on the skin. They say that it's 100% vegetarian, not tested on animals, SLS free and paraben free. But maybe it's the Adzuki beans or what, I don't really know, but there's something in here that just isn't agreeing with the skin. And if anybody from Fab Bag or from this particular brand comes across my video, then you should take note of it it because it's absolutely not a great experience. So the next product that I received is the star product for me in this month's bag, and it is this musk body wash from the soap company. It is priced at rupees 250 and you get 100 ml of the product. I'm in love with this fragrance. I just find it so calming and it's so apt to use in the night. I was using another body wash that I really loved. I'm going to speak about it in my empties video, which is coming up soon. Initially I liked the fragrance of that one, but over time it became too cloying and sweet. So this was a great change in fragrance. I'll be very happy if I receive something else from this company, or I will check out their site and may end up buying another product from their brand. So like I mentioned, this is a mild fragrance. It does linger on the skin, but you have to get like really close to your skin to sniff the fragrance, and it's not long lasting, but it's really good. I have to mention one drawback though. I don't find it travel friendly. I had been over to somebody's place for a day and I had taken this along with me. Obviously this was tilted in my bag and a bit of it kind of spilled out from the cap, even though the cap was like shut well. So the last two products that I received in the bag are makeup products. So the first one is this lip liner by this brand called Brick, and it's called the Brick New York on Fleek lip liner in the shade Coral. I will swatch it for you over here. Yeah, that's the color, and this is priced at rupees 349. And the last item that I received is a lip crayon from Sugar, and this is in the shade 33 Pepper Anderson. So this is supposed to be a full-size product priced at rupees 899, and very similar. And yeah, this is the shade. So the thing is, I don't like this lip liner or the lip crayon. It just does not look good on me at all. I've said this about another color. It was one of the other Sugar lip crayons that I received in a previous bag. It was some wine color, but I did not have a problem with the color. I thought that I was not able to pull it off, but I would still consider wearing that. But I'm never gonna wear this. Like even right now, I have just dabbed this on my lips and I've smudged it out and I've put a gloss on top. I've not used this liner at all. I think you had a choice of color over here, I'm not very sure, but I like a little element of surprise. I decided to just let them send me whatever they wanted to. But yeah, these two I'm definitely going to give away very soon. Also, this isn't a retractable crayon, so I received a sharpener along with it. And one good thing I have to mention is that it glides really well. It does transfer though, and also it makes your lips feel extremely dry after you take it off. So those were my opinions on both these lip products, and with that we have come to the end of this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and let me know what all you received in your fab bag this month, whether you liked it or you did not like it. Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video and other videos across with your friends and family. Please stay safe wherever you are, and I will see you all in my next video.